guys, welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell, I'm home in New York. If you're new to my channel, I go to Michigan State University and I just finished my freshman year of college. I'm home for the summer. I have like a little more than 3 months. So today is going to be the start of my summer vlogs. It's like 10 o'clock right now and I'm about to go make Colin and I some breakfast. That was one of the things that I was so excited about coming home for the summer, is being able to make my own food and not have to eat from the dining hall. It really gets old, like so fast. Today I know I'm gonna go to yoga. I know that I need to move my new bed in my room because I've always had a twin bed and I'm gonna be moving a queen size bed in my room. I'm gonna do a little bit of unpacking. Yeah, I will show you guys all of that. So before I go make some breakfast, I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about Scentbird. So this is something that I really wanted to try because a lot of podcasts that I listen to lately have been sponsored by Scentbird. When they wanted to sponsor today's video, I was so excited. So I don't know if you guys know, but I've never had a nice perfume or fragrance. I've never bought anything expensive like that. All I've ever used is Bath & Body Works, and I thought that it was time to step it up. So I was so excited to be able to work with Scentbird. For only $15, you can try a new fragrance every single month. It's a 30-day supply. That's 120 to 140 sprays, I think, which is insane. That's more than you even need. They partner with top brands like Prada, Gucci, Kate Spade. I'm telling you, no more of that Bath & Body Works stuff, guys. There's no excuse for us not to do this, especially for myself, who's always shopped at Bath & Body Works for perfume. So I'm going to show you guys the scents that I got this month. So it twists down and then boom, you give yourself a little spritz, you know, and then if you want to take it out to check what perfume you got, you just pop it out. And this one is Kate Spade New York Walk on Air. This one smells so good, but then you can just pop it right back in, push it down, and then twist. Then I got this one, which actually I think this one is my favorite. I've been wearing this one like every day. This one is Anna Sui, I think it's called. This is Fantasia. It smells so good. This is my boyfriend's new favorite, actually. I was wearing this yesterday and I got in the car with my boyfriend and he was like, what is that? I'm like, it's my new perfume. And then the last one that I got is in this cute one. This one is Nest Fragrances Wild Poppy. I love this one. This one is probably the nicest, like, calming one. Subtle, but smells so good. I feel like I'm growing up with like these nice perfumes and stuff, especially I'm 19 now. Like, I don't know, it feels weird having these nice perfumes just because I've never had stuff like this before. It's such an affordable price and it's so worth it. This is one of my favorite new things right now. I think this subscription service is honestly genius. They actually just came out with skincare as well, which again, genius. It's really great for people like you and I, you know, we're just normal people and we might not have the money to go out and spend $75 plus on perfume and skincare, all that stuff. So this is such a cool thing. Make sure you guys use my code that's in the description box. It's for 30% off, which makes your first month only $10. Insane. Thank you so much, Scentbird, for sponsoring today's video. Okay, let's go make some breakfast. Hi, Bubba. You like the ear scratch? Like the ear scratch? Oh, there's the other big boy. Hi, little piggy. Giddy up. Let me do it, please.
I don't want any ready whip. Well, no.
Open up.
Ew, look at how gross that looks.
Come here.
Ew.
Come here.
Do it to Charlie or Buggy.
Please. Whoa. Okay, do it to me. Yummy. Let me do it to you, please.
No.
You just did it to me.
Okay.
So let me do it to you.
Nope. Ew. There's none left.
No, I just felt it. Come here.
We gotta go straight upside down, okay? Straight upside down. That's not.
Whoa. Someone got a new car.
Hey.
A new car. Gonna be.
the cool blue light, like 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 the cool blue light.
Okay guys, so I'm about to go to yoga at like 5:45 with my sister, but I'm just laying down and I'm watching some YouTube. I'm actually avoiding packing or unpacking. I don't know where all of this came from. I really don't. I feel like I have triple the amount of stuff that I used to have, so I really need to get a handle on all of that. I'm gonna be going through all my clothes soon and posting them on POSHMARK, so I'll make sure that I put my POSHMARK username in the description for you guys, because in the next like week or so I'll have posted a lot of stuff on there, and I love posting on my POSHMARK. I like write little notes to everyone that like buys something, and yeah, I just love it. I'm also gonna donate a lot of my clothes. I just have so much stuff, like my dorm room stuff, storage stuff, and just so much stuff. I just have so much. I don't know where it all came from, but I need to do that. I also kind of want to paint my nails. I feel like my nails have been growing so fast lately, but I was gonna go get my nails done, get like gel, but I don't want to start getting my nails done. Like I don't want to get in the habit, because once I get gel on my nails, I keep it on, because I don't like ripping it off because it's bad for your nails, so I just keep going back and having them redo it with like whatever color I want. But I don't want to get in the habit, because then that's like $35 every couple weeks, and I really want to save my money, but who knows, maybe I'll cave. We'll see. But yeah, I really just need to get myself together and finish getting settled back home. Honestly, the only thing that I need to do is just unpack, but you guys know I like to be very organized, and I like to have my room clean and everything has its own place, and my bed made, and right now I'm a little bit of a mess. I'm a little all over the place. Hopefully in the next video that you guys see, I will have my room all unpacked, and yeah, maybe I'll show you guys me cleaning out my closet or something. Make sure you guys leave me a comment letting me know if there's any video ideas that you want me to do. I'm gonna be posting a lot more now that I'm home and I have more time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Follow me on all my social medias so you can keep up to date with my day-to-day life. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it and want more day in my life. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Uh-oh, I got a shell in it. Even Mitch. I think this thank you so much, Scentbird.